Okay, dalawa ngayong magagandang lalaki dito sa Globe MOA. So my buddy here is, of course, you know him to be Lac Diaz. He is also the proponent for Litter of Light. So he's a great friend of mine. So right now, meron tayong event kasi that's going to happen. This is it, guys. Ayan na yan, oh. Light, oh. Look at that. World.
But it will be patriotic. It will be for Independence Day. So this one is for the environment, pero mas maganda pa yung mas maganda pa talaga yung sa you see doon, you see all the flags of the Philippine independence. Doon yung yung the evolution of the flag. So
ano ulit yan, Ilak? It's the 500th year of what?
So 500 years ago, Magellan was defeated by Lapu-lapu, our first recorded hero. Maraming hero. So pero yung dugo ng bayani. So we want to have a very special event where all of you are with the Philippine flag so we'll have a really bayaning epic day. So 500 years of heroism is celebrated this year, and we want you during Independence Day, the most important day, to come and carry the flag, itaas ang bandila.
Tapos guys, itong mga bikers are specially given by Ilak a highlight. We're gonna go around this circle, guys. This is the MOA circle. So there he is. It's going around.
You have the first lane. Itong first lane na to go around. So you'll be going around here. Ngayon, kung masyado marami, we can also do a second lane outside. Pero ingat lang. So, but the inner lane is blocked. The inner circle, which is 4 lanes,
it's already ours.
Is ours.
Okay. Tapos, ang tawag doon, saan ipapalabas ito, bro?
Lahat. No. So there's a National Quincentennial Channel. There's of course the Independence Day is covered by the press from all over. So we're very excited that we're all gonna come here to celebrate together, especially yung bikers, bikers with the flag. We're very excited that this will happen.
Yung diba, this is an MTV for Sandwich, right?
So we have a quincentennial song from Sandwich. It's called Quincentennial.
Okay.
And that will be part of an MTV. So it's already we had the Visayas version launch in Cebu, but this will be the Tagalog version. So that one received more than 1 million hits. Sigurado this one will be even more popular with you guys.
So ipapalabas ito pati sa Dubai Expo where you're gonna be in Dubai, right? So anyway, yun lang, guys. So guys, yung mga riders, baka yung iba hindi pa naniniwala. This is the guy himself. Hindi siya na nagtatawag.
Who's not gonna believe that tingnan mo, akin lahat.
So this is ours, guys. Mga riders, friends, this is ours for...
I only have it for 3 days, no? So for 2 days preparation, and then on the 10th we need you. So
on the 10th,
so
3 p.m. assembly tayo, guys, as we were saying before. Okay?
This is not something that happens every day. This is
heck, even for us,
Independence Day.
for 100 years, this doesn't happen. This is a unique event commemorating
500 years.
Exactly.
It happens
diba?
only once in 500 years. So where were you on the 500th year? So
exactly.
Claim your pagka-Filipino and come and carry the flag with us.
I'm also talking with Ilak. We're gonna be issuing you certificates, and you can buy either kung gusto nyo mag-contribute sa Litter of Light, you can buy lights, assemble it,
there,
and then
these are all the ones that were contributed there.
Ayan. Those are the big lights na parang naka-PVC siya.
And then we'll donate it afterwards. So we also have a bike run for a cause after to deliver it.
So yan, magra-ride tayo to a depressed area na walang power, and we're gonna give them the lights para may ilaw yung mga bata pag nag-aaral sila and everything else. So anyway, let's say goodbye, Ilak. So guys, we'll see you on June 10, 3 p.m. Okay?
Where were you in the 500 years?
I'm gonna be here. You better be. Bye, guys.